Program number 9. Write a program in Python to get the following result. Math is fun, so don't be resistant. Just learn the rules. The rules are consistent. And most important, you must be persistent. Adding fractions, get common denominators. Multiply by missing factors to get the denominators. Add numerators only, not denominators. Do it in both interactive mode and script mode. So this is the statement, and how the output will generate same. We will see the program. So first method, one by one line you save it in the different variable, just like S1 equal to, within the quotation, copy the first line, select and copy it, paste it here. This is the first line. Now S2 equal to second statement, paste it. S3 third line, select it and then copy it, then down in the paste it. This is third line. Now more 3 lines as given. So this is S3, no problem, we will write S3 only. Now S4, copy it, paste it. S5 fifth line, sixth line. Done. One extra space is taken. Now in the one print command we will call, and this print command will call all the variables. What? S1, because all are is in the different line. S1 comma, within the quotation, slash n for new line generate, comma, S2 comma, again slash n, because second statement afterwards is also new line need to generate. Then S3 comma, new line comma. See, these 3 line afterwards, what is given? Space is there. So we will put it one more slash n, then one blank line will generate. So this line will generate for blank line, then afterwards this is for next line, here it will be write it, comma, S4 comma, slash n comma, S5 comma, slash n comma, S6. Now we will see the output. Run it. See, came exactly. Just look at here. Everything is same. So this is the interactive mode. Another, what we can do it here, this is the first method. Second method, directly in the print command, we will write every print command one statement. Every print command one statement. For example, just comment this one. Then second method, what you will do, print command call, and then inside of the print command copy, then here paste it. One line done. Then for second line again print command. That means every statement you should call print command. Each line for one print command you should call. Like this also you can do it. Third method, what you will do, here you write first statement, then /n, then second statement, like this. I have shown already in the program number 8. If you want to see, then you can see that one. So like this also method you can do it. I am showing here 2 lines only. See. Okay, run. I called only 2 print commands, so that's why 2 lines. Like this also you can edit. In the interactive mode, what you will do, because this question also has given for both method, interactive and script mode. So in script mode we have written, in the script mode we call within the S1 S2 like this. So in the interactive mode also, through the variable you can call it and then print it. If you will not understand, then comment it. Otherwise you can check it in program number 8. That place I have shown that how you will write in the interactive mode.